Hello, and welcome back to Bite Size. Did you know that coconut can be a game changer for diabetic-friendly meals? If you've been craving crispy chicken, but watching your blood sugar, this one's for you. Today we're making this lovely set of coconut chicken tenders. They're the perfect mix of crunchy and slightly sweet, while still fitting into your weight loss goals. Whether you've had bariatric surgery, or you're on a GLP-1 medication, or if you're just trying to eat cleaner without sacrificing flavor, these tenders are a total win. They're easy to make in batches and go great in wraps and salads, or hey, just even on their own. If that sounds good, let's get cooking. This is Bite-Sized. Traditional fried chicken, delicious, yes, undoubtedly, but packed with all kinds of refined carbs and fried oils. And let's not even talk about that bloated post-meal feeling. Ugh. If you're managing diabetes or using a GLP-1, you need something that satisfies you without that crash. And that's exactly what we're making here today. Here are the ingredients on the screen. Our coconut chicken journey begins by trimming. Cut off those chewy bits because who wants that? Gross. Then rinse the chicken under some cold water. PSA, clean your chicken. Your stomach will thank you. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and line a baking sheet with some parchment paper. We are good to go. Pat your chicken dry and then season it with some salt. And 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Next, let's set up our coconut breading station. Take 2 trays, lining the first one with coconut flour and the second one with coconut flakes. First, I'm going to take these 2 eggs, beat them real good, and then add a splash of almond milk. Now that everything's ready, let's get going. Next, I'm adding our chicken to our coconut flour, dipping that into the egg mixture. Ooh, shake off that excess. And then press it into the coconut flakes until fully coated. Rinse and repeat. I'm placing these onto our baking sheet, putting it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, flipping about halfway through. If you really want these crispy, set your oven to broil. Let them sit in the broiler for about 30 seconds to a minute to get that perfect golden brown. Ooh, that is so golden. That's a saying, right? These are crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, and totally blood sugar friendly. These coconut tenders aren't just healthy, but they're also addictive and totally guilt-free. Make a batch, toss them in a salad, stuff them in a wrap, or, eat them straight off the tray. No judgment. Give them a try, and if you do, tag us at Bite-Sized. And then hit that button, leave us a comment, and follow more for recipes that won't hurt your weight loss journey. Because losing weight doesn't mean losing flavor. From all of us at Bite-Sized, we are wishing you a happy weight loss journey. Join us again next time. This was Bite-Sized.